Humanity is defined by our ability to think bigger, to dream higher, and go where no one has gone before. We seek answers, forge new frontiers, and we push ourselves further than anyone thought possible.
The skyrocket plunging earthward at twice the speed of sound.
We've been told it couldn't be done, that we were crazy, foolish even, but we've never let that stop us.
Ignition sequence start. 3, 2, 1. We have a liftoff.
We're always evolving, pushing limits, because building a better future demands passion, creativity, desire, to bring new ideas forward, to spark imagination, to show what we're really made of. So as we stand on the edge of innovation, ask yourself, what history will you make?